So there you have it, leftover sandwich made with pork loin and gratin dauphinoise. Hello and welcome back to Step Chef. Today au menu, leftover sandwich. Once I made the dinner party for my family and I had some gratin dauphinoise and pork loin, and the day after for lunch I didn't know what to do with it. My brother-in-law, being British, said, well, Steph, stick it in two pieces of bread. That's what I did. A leftover sandwich with pork and gratin dauphinoise. Right, so I'll tell you what I did. In this one, I sliced my pork loin very thinly and reheated with a little side de jus that I made the day before. So that's reheated. In this one, I sliced my gratin dauphinoise and pan fried it in a little butter. And that's ready to go. Here we go. I've got my French stick, where you can use any bread that you wish. There you go, let's open the baby. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna put my pork. There you go. Get this. All this lovely juice. Down. And to top it up, my gratin dauphinoise. Now you can reheat it in the oven if you wish. You will have the same effect. But collapsing a bit, that's not the problem. So there you have it, leftover sandwich made with pork loin and gratin dauphinoise. Please like and subscribe, that'll be ace, and thank you for watching. See you soon on Step Chef.
If you enjoyed this video and want to check out my latest one, please click here. If you want to check all my videos, please click here. And if you don't want to miss any of my videos, please subscribe and click here. That'll be ace. See you soon on Step Chef.